Uses of tools. Tools. There are two parts of tools: core tools and flake tools. So core tools were oval and pear shaped. They were heavy tools used for cutting trees and digging. Example: hand axe. Earlier, hand axes were without a handle, but later they were tied to a long stick. And uh, another type of tools are flake tools. Cleavers and choppers were flake tools. They were used to cut and split trees. They were used to kill animals. These flake tools had a sharp edge which could injure anyone instantly. Now, uses of tools. Stone tools were used by early humans to kill animals, cut meat and bone, scrape the hides of animals and bark from trees, chop fruit and cut trees. Tools resembling arrows and spears have also been discovered, which were used for hunting as well as for chopping wood. Now we will go to nomadic lifestyle. Now, nomadic means wanderer. Early humans were nomadic or wanderer because they kept on moving from one place to another in search of food and tools. Then comes your change in season. It was perhaps as natural as birds migrating to warmer lands during winters. Extreme weather condition and scarcity of food also caused early humans to move when life became tough. When grass eating animals moved in search of new pastures, early humans also moved following these animals. So early humans started living near rivers as water and food were available in abundance. Now, discovery of life. Remains of ash at some places, at some Paleolithic uh, or old Stone Age sites led to the conclusion that fire was known to early humans. So, uh, some fire ashes was found near the site, so that led to a conclusion that fire were known to early humans. There were many views by the historians. View 1: many of the historians think that early humans first encountered fire when lightning struck trees. View 2: while making tools, early humans might have rubbed two stones which created spark. Now, expressions of early human. Early human were very creative and painting, and they had painted walls of the cave on the caves. The caves revealed that this is the way they expressed their feelings. For example, Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. I repeat, Bhimbetka, Bhimbetk, Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh is famous for rock sheltering painting. Is famous for rock sheltering paintings. Paintings such as hunting, pictures of paintings of hunting, fishing, dancing, women grinding and cooking, children were playing. They used and mostly they used natural red colors, green, white, or orange colors. Change in climate. Change in climate, children. Climate means average weather condition of a place at a given time. So, climate also played a major role in early humans' life during Mesolithic age. Climate became warmer, which led to growth of grasses or grassland. As a result, there was an increase in number of sheep, goat, deer, and cattle. Early humans started observing these animals, and that led to soon started of herding and rearing of these animals. Early humans started fishing too. Grain bearing grasses also grew. Early humans started collecting grains and later on started growing them. This is the end of early human part 1. Thank you.